All right, on questions 4 and 5, you are finding the system of, you're solving the system of equations. You're doing either elimination or substitution, so I'll just choose whichever one is the easier of the two. For number 4, this one would be easier to do elimination, and I would just multiply the bottom one by 2. So your top equation would look like this. And then when you multiply the bottom by 2, you're going to get 2x plus 4y equals 54. And then we're going to add them together. These will cancel. So this gives me 5y equals 55. So y equals 11 when you divide both sides by 5. Then you're going to go back and plug that into one of the originals, and I would plug that into the top one. So negative 2x plus y is now 11 equals 1. And then subtract 11 from both sides. That gives us negative 2x equals negative 10. Divide by negative 2. So x is 5. So they intersect at 5, 11 would be our solution. Now, if you chose to do substitution, which you can, then I'm going to work it a different way. I would take the top equation, this is using substitution, and I would move the 2x over. So you would have y equals positive 2x plus 1. And then you can substitute that in for your y value for this equation. So you would say x plus 2, and then 2x plus 1 equals 27. Distribute the 2, so x plus 4x plus 2 equals 27. Combine your x's together, that's 5x plus 2 equals 27. Subtract 2 from both sides, 5x equals 25. Divide both sides by 5, so x is 5, which is what we got here. Then go back to what you substituted in, so that's y equals 2 times 5 plus 1 is 11, so y equals 11. So this is just showing you can do elimination, or you can do it by substitution. Now, on number 5, I would, since it's already got y equals, that would be, substituting would be the easiest way, and I would substitute it in for y here. So that's going to give you negative 3x plus 5 equals 7. And you can put this in parentheses if you want, but because it's addition, it's not going to matter. So negative 3x plus 3x is just 0. So this is just 5 equals 7, which is not true. So we say it has no solutions. So what this means is if you were to graph this graph, these lines would be parallel and they don't intersect. So we would say no solution for our answer. Okay, if we were to substitute in or do elimination and we got a true statement, okay, so let's say we had a different problem and we had, let's say it was negative 3x plus 7 equals 7. And these cancel, and 7 equals 7, then that's true. And so we would say infinite solutions. Or you could say all real numbers and use the symbol for that. So this problem, depending on whether it's true or false, can give you two different types of solutions.